Welcome to Instant Film Friday, where tonight I'll be unboxing the Fujifilm Instax Mini 90 Neo Classic. Now, I actually already have one of these cameras, and it's one of my favorite instant cameras to date, so I actually bought another one because I got a really good deal on this one from the Facebook Marketplace. These cameras are going for $120-ish still, and I actually got this for $30 brand new from a lady in New York that got it as a gift, and she's not really into instant photography, so her loss is my gain, I guess. So I wanted to open this for this web series, which is why I'm doing it tonight. Now, at the end of the video, I will actually link my unboxing of my original Mini 90 so you guys can see that as well. So this is the brown version. My other Mini 90 is actually the black version. They make two types. So when you open it, you're going to get your literature, you're going to get warranty information, instructions, all that good stuff. You're going to get cardboard. You're going to get a super cool Fujifilm strap. You're going to get the body of the camera, which looks like this. And the brown looks super, super sweet. You're going to get, oh, these are very important actually. You're going to get these little strap mounts, I would call them. The reason why you're getting these is because the side of the camera itself has these mounts that don't actually take a standard size strap, so you're going to want to put these onto the holes that are provided so you can use a standard strap. You're going to get the battery, rechargeable battery. What is this? You're going to get the battery charger. Which looks like this. And the actual plug disassembles from it. And actually, I think this is definitely unexpected. I actually think I got an international version of this camera. So what is this? Yep. The plug comes like that, but as you can see, the plug is angled. So they also included this right here, which is a US adapter. So it's going to go on like that. I wasn't expecting to get an international Mini 90, so there's that. This is all you get inside the camera box, and what you're going to do is you're going to want to charge your battery, you know, plug it in. You're going to want to set up the strap, and then you're ready to go. Now, one thing to mention is in the box, this does not include film, so you're going to want to pick up some Instax Mini 90 film or Polaroid Pic 300 film, and you're going to want to put it in. At the end of this video, I will also link another episode of Instant Film Friday where I show you how to put film in this, so I won't go into that now. And I hope you guys like the unboxing of this Fujifilm Instax Mini 90 Neo Classic. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you next week. Bye!